New Year, gamers. It's me, Weaystoni.
Hey
Good
guys,
pal.
it's me,
Owen Packham.
Owen Packham.
Yeah. Today we're making cake because last time, well, we all know what happened last time.
I didn't watch the full video. I really didn't.
Okay. Well, did you see my abused woman joke?
You're abused.
Anyway, moving on.
We got super moist.
Super moist.
Because Weston is moist.
You're gonna be super moist at the end of this video. Anyway, step 1, time to bake. We need to heat the oven to 350. Oh yeah.
Wait.
Oh.
Mission accomplished.
Heck yeah.
Boom! Yeah.
Alright.
I gotta open this up.
This is 13 inches by 9 inches. That's 8 inches by 8 inches.
You know
That will
what
be
else
fun.
is 13 inches by 9 inches.
Yeah. I love being sexual while making cake.
We gotta show them stuff. We got rich and creamy vanilla, because I chose vanilla.
Yeah, you know what else is gonna be rich and creamy? This cake.
Yeah. Cake. We got some syrup to, lather on the cake.
Yeah.
I like to beat my syrup. Yeah, I like to beat.
It's another word for lube in Greek.
I like to beat the package to get the syrup, is what I meant to say. Oh, we should probably get a bowl. This is how you use a knife properly. Away.
Make sure it's facing towards your hands.
Always cut towards your body. I'm an Eagle Scout, I would know.
Yeah.
Alright, just gonna, ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
really
so
clumpy.
dusty.
It's not sexual. Stay on par, Weston.
I am on.
Look at that dustiness.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Hey, bring the thing over here.
What happens if you snort cake mix?
Not that, I don't need that. That's for wussies. Instructions are for women. Echo my voice. You made a sexist joke in your last one, I thought you
No, I
just said.
didn't. I made an abusive woman.
Okay, nice. You're right. There's a difference. Is it better though?
He has a girlfriend, so he's allowed to make woman jokes.
Whoa! I don't think I've ever been told that because I have a girlfriend, I have the right to do it. You want to do it?
I'm sorry, Claire. Anyway, what?
Are you saying you're sorry, dude? Is it a
woman.
woman? Good.
This reminds me of my balls.
You have 3?
I was born in Chernobyl.
Chernobyl?
Chernobyl.
I don't know. I'm not affiliated with that place.
It's Russia.
It's a Russia?
It's Russia.
Yeah, do it. Give me a good whap.
I'll whap you. Wow.
You gotta beat it before it comes out. Listen, I don't want to give you this challenge, but if you want, when you're editing, can you do like a little dinger whenever we make a sexual joke with how many sexual jokes we made? I think your audience.
You want to make a bet on how many we're gonna make?
Dude, I'm so down. It's gonna be.
Bet.
It's gonna be
I bet
69.
5.
It's 69.
Okay, I bet you $5.
That's a lot of money.
That's some money. If it's 69, we don't. It's fine. I don't pay you $5. You don't pay me. But if it's below 69,
I get
then
money.
you get the money.
Okay.
But if it's above 69, you pay me.
So basically, you're just picking 67.
I'm picking 70. You're picking 67.
69. So I'm picking 69. You're picking 70.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Okay,
Gotcha.
we solved it, guys.
Yeah. Gonna
Just gotta
make you
insert the
so
thing.
salty.
Just gotta insert the
Seriously,
thing.
you insert it really. Oh. Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding.
I'm gonna ding you so hard.
I'm gonna ding you harder. Wait, I can't go over. I gotta stop. I'm hurting myself by doing this.
Oh yeah, drill me.
It's actually a really good one. Just gotta swirl it around. You know what else you swirl around?
What
Nothing.
else?
Just cake. You swirl the cake around. How can we be sure this isn't just brownie mix? Because it smells like brownie mix.
Did you put vegetable oil in?
Yeah.
Did you put water in?
Yeah. You put the eggs in, the testicle eggs.
Put it in the mixer at medium speed or beat vigorously. I'm gonna beat you vigorously.
Wait, you're.
By hand.
No, wait, we're making a rule. You cannot make the same joke. Meaning, you can't just keep on saying, I'm gonna beat you this way.
victoriously.
I'm slapping this like you're gonna slap your ass with your cake tonight. No, seriously, smell this. It just smells like, oh, dude, we gotta eat the batter after.
What?
We gotta eat the batter after. You
I'll
gotta
make
lick
batter.
it, dude. You gotta lick.
No.
You gotta lick the brown
I'm
stuff
gonna lick
afterwards.
all of your batter.
I'm gonna lick.
It's very gooey.
And that cake.
You know what else is gooey, Owen?
What else is gooey? Listen, this video better have 18 plus on it.
Cake batter.
Thumbnail. It's you moaning in the thumbnail. Your birthday is on the 6th.
Yeah. You know what else is 6?
It's D's nuts 9.
Yeah. Anyway.
So you can lick one of these. That's what she said.
What?
Lick it. That's not a ding. I was just actually telling
Yeah,
you
I
to
know.
lick it.
I deep throat this.
If you can. You got pretty far now. You've never done that before?
No, this is my first time.
Just stare at the camera and make some look suggestible. You gotta get like the knife here. Clear the area.
Jesus Christ,
messy.
Owen, you're so disgusting. Ugh.
You want me to do it or you want to do
No,
it?
I'll do it.
Alright. Get a good view. We made cake.
Cake batter.
Let me go get something to help you
It's
Make it
so
sexual.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It's like
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, you like that? Little dirty cake. I'm not helping myself here. Look, it's cake, guys. Well, not yet. You want to suck that off for me?
I'll set that up.
Why? I stole it. You got the rest, buddy.
Oh, thanks.
Spilled some
Man,
more.
you're so small. Or yours is so small.
Cake
Mine's
is.
really big.
I
Like, look at this size comparison.
Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Two straight guys in the kitchen making cake.
2 guys, 1 cake. Here, let's put this in the oven. Or am I supposed to put it in the oven?
Oh, it is gone? No, it's not done yet. But we know what you can do while we wait.
What can we do, Owen?
You can, when it comes out, when I post about it, or Western does, because you're going to have to selflessly promote it, you can listen to the D&D podcast, How We Manage. It's not a D&D podcast, just season 1's going to be a D&D podcast. But watch Weston as himself, literally himself as a wizard. You're not that interesting.
Shut up.
You
I have
have
different
different characters.
accents.
You can have...
Once in a while.
Should we just stand here silently as you play it?
Sure.
Cute. Well, okay, here's the thing. The audio is going to show you is from test trials. So it's not going to be the actual thing, but you're going to see him in action talking about penis.
This is like a sneak peek or like a beta test.
Sneak peek, go.
If Rachel's a redhead, I'm gonna.
Yeah, okay, so you guys wait at the entrance and immediately a redhead comes up to you
God
and goes,
fucking damn it!
and goes, hi, I'm Rachel. How are
Here you go.
you?
Here's the box.
Oh, thank you, guys.
Ferret.
You don't know.
Nudge
Wait,
Weaystoni.
how do you know it's a ferret?
We heard it squeal.
Nuisance.
Do you know? Okay, well, at least you know what I'm gonna do with it, right?
Waste
No.
of space.
Oh,
Maybe.
I sell
No,
ferret
gee.
pelts.
There's not enough dust to make like a cocaine.
Cocaine. Yeah, I was about to say. I was like, are you gonna make a cocaine thing? Ugh. Dude, you're gonna get freaking monetized. Even though you don't make money, you're gonna get monetized.
I'll get a sponsor. Hey, Super Moist or Brady Crocker. Is that how you say it?
Crocker?
Crocker.
It's Cocker.
Brady Cocker, sponsor me, please.
Okay, so I think we
It's
put
jiggly.
a penis here.
No, we're not putting any male genitalia.
Only woman?
No, stop.
It's tasty. Oh yeah. Oh. Mm. It did.
Because both Quicksilvers were in it.
You mean
Both.
boner? Dang it, that counts. Freaking boner.
Boner.
Also, when would you ever think that Marvel was gonna make a boner joke? Wow, we're back,
Wow.
and the oven's ready. Magical time, unless Weston, like at the end of the video, like has to. What the? Alright, put it in. How long is it going for?
30.
For how long?
30 minutes.
30. Wait, is that the highest or lowest?
The lowest.
Freaking cake takes a long time. Why do they make brownies, dude?
Cake. I have no idea.
Well, dude, why don't you know your ghost things? You
I'll
gotta
make
go-
you a ghost.
Well, then we could communicate these
Hey!
days. App Store. Okay.
How long do we have? 6 minutes.
Yeah. How's it looking? Ooh, it's
That's
getting really
a
hot.
really interesting view
Oh,
you did
oh,
right
sorry.
there.
I know, that's not what I meant. You know, we're back.
Hey.
We're gonna pull out the delectable thing. Now, I just remembered, we kind of have to wait. What happened, dude? Oh, wait, we should probably show it off.
I could zoom in or something.
Yeah, zoom! Okay. Good stuff. Alright, are we gonna section this off into 2 things? Like you can do the left, I'll do the right.
What?
Well, you gotta decorate it.
Yeah, we gotta decorate
It's
it.
your birthday.
Yeah.
It's your birthday. Boom, 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 boom.
It's your birthday, and we want you to have fun. It's your
birthday. Zoom!
Nut.
This is your cake, man. Here, you know how you get frosting out? You have to poke a hole in it first so that it releases the air. Go ahead. Gosh, put it lower down and it can squirt everywhere. You know what? Let's just like put it on like normal humans do.
It's cringe.
I think it's still hot, but you know, who cares? Melted frosting's tasty. We have videos to make. Oh look! It's spreading! You just gotta wait for it to see it. You wanna know who my celebrity crush is? Do you know?
It's the girl that voiced in Trolls. What's her name?
Wow, I didn't know you actually knew.
You've told me this multiple times. What's her name? Annie. It starts with an A,
Anna
right?
Kendrick, dude.
Kendrick.
That's my girlfriend. Coming out publicly about it. This whole time I've been lying to you that I said I had a girlfriend. It's actually just Anna Kendrick. She doesn't know yet.
Just watch how you're gonna be one of those.
See, the reason why you don't know is because she doesn't know. See, no girl watches your videos. It's fine, right?
Yeah, my audience is 100% male. 100% male. No woman watched my videos. Not a single one.
Hit me up. Not males. Not that that's wrong. Ask me a question about Anna Kendrick. I probably know. Like a fact. Like
How old is she?
36. Ask me when her birthday is.
It's your.
What are you doing to this cake? Yeah, Weston.
Hey, Owen.
Get a load of this side. Anyway.
Are we done frosting the cake?
Are you done? It seems like it's usually just still got more in there. What? You're so aggressive, dude. Sometimes they just like it slow and easy. What are you doing? Look, you just go, yeah, nice and sensual. With consent. Oh god. Oh, it's way harder than I thought. That's what she said.
Show this monstrosity.
Zoom! Oh, it's moving.
D-Day.
West. Okay, W N for what? We. It's gonna be we, because that's your D&D name. Check out the podcast. No, saying no self-promotion here. E. We. B. Day. A. We B-Day. We did it. Dude, what if my stepsister was Anna Kendrick? Wouldn't get any.
Shut up about Anna Kendrick. Oh my
Sorry, it's not an obsession.
God.
It's a gift. Sit down so I know I've told. Sit down. Take a seat. Oh god, you're so tall.
I can
Lower the seat.
lower
So you're as tall as I am. And that way I feel good about myself. Keep going. We gotta take a sip of Coke first, because we all know Coke and cake.
Yeah, they both start with a C.
You know that starts with a C?
What?
Cock. Alright, you ready? Dude, we built this ourselves.
We built this city alright.
Broken. Dude, it's actually not that bad.
Oh. So, they come here often?
Dude, I live here. I'm genuinely enjoying this cake. Maybe because it's all sugar?
Super moist too.
Yeah, no.
They're not lying about that.
I can't even taste the Coke. I can't even taste the Coke when I drink it. Because I think so much sugar is lining my mouth.
Subscribe to Weaystoni if you're new. You're probably not new, but subscribe again. It's like an alternate account or something.
Just like make a bunch of Gmail accounts and then
Bam.
start subscribing everyone to Weaystoni. And subscribe to Go and Wear Bros for random videos that I post on a not good schedule, and they come out randomly with random topics. But if you want not consistency,
I mean, I'm not consistent either.
if you want not consistency, but you actually want the same thing, check out Limitless Standard, which is coming soon. Hashtag shameless plug-in. Not shameless because I'm not shameful of it. Check out Limitless Standard, which is going to be like a short film, like shorts. We like guns and apparently woman beating. That's not going to be on there. If you like guns, lightsabers, Weston might be there. Yeah, Weston, you're going to be there, right?
I'm gonna be there.
Weston, if you like driving, go check it out when we release our first short, and then also go check out the podcast, How We Managed for...
We have a lot of plugins.
Yeah, I do a lot of stuff with my life. What are you doing?
I have it all in one channel.
What's that? Well, dude, people get confused.
What do you mean get confused?
Listen, you don't even have to check out the Going Well Bros. Just go check out Limitless Standard and the podcast. You'll like it. Weston's gonna be on it. He already played the clip for you. I don't know why I'm plugging it more. I like plugging.
Just gonna
While you're at it, go to McDonald's. Plug in everything. No, listen, we gotta plug in more stuff. Wendy's gotta get a plug.